feel fortunate to be part of this evACAD, especially with VNIT, since this place was what I was having a dream of joining when I was in my engineering. So fortunately I was not able to got a seat in VNIT. Now, since a reputed course from a reputed college is what is a combined bundle which I am trying to inculcate in my career. The reason why I joined evACAD was since I'm a professional from engine manufacturing basically, and since things are now changing and vehicle manufacturers are going for hybrid, from normal engines to hybrid. So to give a thrust to my career, when we started, I was having a fear how I'm going to complete the course with a professional life. So everyday classes are there, and I'm finding it well, even lecturers are putting in front all learning with respect to the industrial experience. So that is making us to grasp things easily, because they are related to our real day-to-day life, working life. This course is what has been basically designed for industry professionals. So we learn basic, we learn advanced things, we learn actual road conditions, actual simulations, what is happening in industries. So the person who is going to join is going to get a big bundle of overall experience of lecturers who had experience of teaching as well as working in industry also. So the way we are learning evACAD, the small simulations and practical approach to all problems, real life problems. So solving those problems are giving me avenues or learning how things to be jotted down, small things which is going to impact the overall projects. So that key learning I am getting from evACAD lectures.